Hi, we're going to go over the parts for the Signal Dynamics Headlight Modulator system. And in this box comes the harness. This is the harness. And this is the plug and play headlight module. Okay? So let's go over what they are and what they include. Now, it does come with directions, and they're very simple. You can even see YouTube videos, including this one. Well, there's two main parts. You get the harness and the module, okay? This is the harness. This is the part that will actually interface with the bulbs on your headlight housing. And these two thingies here just plug into the back of the bulbs on the housing. That's what these do. Okay, this plug here will plug into the electrical feed for the left light bulb in your housing. That's the left to use sitting on the bike, okay? And then the right one will actually just be covered with tape or left alone. And then this is your interface between this part and this part, okay? And the module. Now here's the module. What does it have? Well, it has a connector. It has the module itself, and then it has an electric eye, okay? And so we're going to be, putting that into the bike. So those are the two systems. What do? It only will plug in one way. In other words, the orientation, it can only go one way, and this is the orientation here. And you just push it until they click. These are these things, so you can take it apart if you want. But this is the unit. We're not going to be soldering any wires. We're not going to be cutting anything. This does have a green wire, which I've clipped because I'm not going to use it. You can set up the system so that when you hit your horn, it'll shut off the headlight module, but I don't have any need for that. It also comes with two-way squishy kind of a tape piece that you can use to set this onto your housing. I don't want to use that. And this is a tool you can use to connect this wire to your horn wire. You just kind of put the pieces in and then push this up, and it cuts in and makes the connecting. But we're not going to do that. So anyway, that completes the description. I mean, it's called plug and play. You plug it and it plays. I mean, again, there's no soldering and no other thing. Pretty simple. So now we're going to go out and prepare the motorcycle to receive this system. That'll take a little bit of time.